Is your mouse cursor moving too slow or maybe way too fast on your Windows computer? You can easily adjust the mouse pointer speed in just a few quick steps to make your cursor feel smoother and more comfortable to use. Open the Start menu and go to your computer settings. Once you're inside settings, select Bluetooth and devices from the left side menu. Now click on Mouse. This will open your mouse settings page where you can customize different cursor and scrolling options. Look for the setting called Mouse Pointer Speed. You'll see a slider that controls how fast your cursor moves across the screen. If you want your mouse to move faster, drag the slider to the right. You'll notice instantly that the cursor responds much quicker and travels across the screen with less movement from your mouse. And if the cursor feels too sensitive or hard to control, simply drag the slider to the left to slow it down. Take a few seconds to test different speeds until you find the one that feels most comfortable for gaming, browsing, editing, or everyday use. You can change this setting anytime, so don't worry about experimenting with different speeds.